Nankhatai, Indian cookies without oven. Hello everyone, welcome to the Kanchan's Kitchen. Today we are going to make these tasty Indian cookies with easily available ingredients at home. I will be showing two ways in which you can make it. So watch it till the end. If you like it, then please do hit the like button and share it with everyone. Also send your comments and share your experience with me. Do subscribe and hit the bell icon to be notified every time when we upload a new video. So let's get started. The ingredients required are half cup of ghee, half teaspoon cardamom powder, half cup of sugar powder, half cup of gram flour and half cup of wheat flour. To decorate, you can take pistachios and almonds. In a bowl, pour the semi-melted ghee. Ghee should be semi-melted for good texture. Now sieve the sugar powder into the ghee. And discard the leftover. Whisk them with the help of whisker for about 5 to 6 minutes till it turns into a white paste. The more you whisk, more fluffy and soft the cookies will turn out. After 6 minutes, it turns out like this. Now, add half teaspoon cardamom powder and with the help of the sieve, sieve half cup of wheat flour and half cup of gram flour together into it. Discard the leftover. Mix it well and bind it using your hands. Bind it softly in a way that it doesn't get sticky and remains gluten-free. So make sure that you bind it gently. Rest it aside for 5 minutes. Till then, let's preheat the cooker. Spread salt or sand in the base of the cooker. You can use the salt multiple times. Place this ring over it. Now cover it with a plate and let it heat on medium flame for about 10 minutes. Till then, let's grease the mold with ghee and take small portions of the batter. Roll it and press it gently to get the shape like a cookie. Decorate it with chopped almonds and pistachios like this and place it in the mold. Place them little far from each other as they spread on cooking. After 10 minutes, lower the flame of cooker and slowly place the mold in it. Now, remove the rubber and whistle of the cooker and lid the cooker to bake it for 15 to 20 minutes. You can even bake a cake using this method. I had made one. Find its link in the description and above in the e-card. So for the second method, take a non-stick pan, place the silver foil paper or a butter paper over it and grease it with ghee. Now in the same way, take small portions of batter, give it a round shape and press it gently making a cookie. You can even give a slit making plus design and decorate it with grated pistachios. You can decorate it in any of the two ways. Do try it and share your experience with me through your comments. You can even follow me on Instagram and Facebook. You place all the cookies on the silver foil like this at some distance. Now it's ready to be baked. So take an old pan, heat it on high flame for 2 to 3 minutes. After it turns hot, lower the flame and place this cookie pan over it. Cover it and cook for about 15 to 20 minutes. Let's have a look at the cookies placed in the cooker. As you can see, these cookies have puffed up nicely. But we shall cook it for another 5 minutes. After 20 minutes, place your finger gently and check. It's not sticking to the finger, so it's ready. Turn off the flame and leave it open for 2 to 3 minutes. After 2 minutes, remove it from the cooker and keep it aside to cool down. You can even use a steel plate instead of mold. Grease it with ghee, and to show you, I'm taking the leftover batter and making a big cookie out of it. There it goes in the cooker to be baked. Here the cookies in the pan are ready in 15 minutes. Let's turn off the flame and place it aside to cool down. Here the Indian cookies, the Nankhatais, are ready. It looks like this from behind. They are soft and looks tempting. Let's serve it in a plate. Hope you liked today's recipe. If yes, please do like, share, comment and subscribe if you are new to my channel. Thank you for watching till the end.